Whether you're moving to the UAE or are already there and need to present official paperwork, you will probably be asked to attest your documents. If you've never heard of attestation, also known as legalization, things can feel complicated. It's hard to know where to start, and figuring out the process you need can be stressful. But it doesn't need to be. Attestation is the process of taking a document issued in one country and making it legally recognised in another. The procedure for each country and document type is very different, however, which is where things can get very confusing. Vital certificates are here to help explain the whole process for you and can handle your documents from start to finish. Wherever your documents were issued, our specialists can fully attest them for use in the UAE. We can even translate them too if required. You can send us your documents and simply sit back and wait for them to be returned to you, ready to go.